Hi, I'm Neely, and I'm going to show you how to create pages on your WordPress site. Pages generally contain additional website content that is meant to remain static and does not show up in the blog feed. This can be an about page or a contact page or any other type of page you wish to add. Okay, let's get into it. Our starting point is the WordPress admin dashboard. To start a new page, you can either choose New from the top navigation and select Page, or hover over the Pages section on the left side and choose Add New. This will launch the editor, but I want to show you the All Pages section first. The All Pages section shows you the current pages that are on your site. You can create a new page here by clicking Add New, or for each of the existing pages, you can view or edit any of the pages on your site. If we hover over a page title, it shows us some action links. Edit will take you to the block editor where you have full editing capabilities. Quick Edit lets us update the title or the order in which our page appears. Trash lets us get rid of the page, and Preview lets us view the page on our website. For now, let's focus on editing our About page. Hover and click Edit. Since nothing has been added to this page, it is blank, just like it would have been if the Add New page was selected. Let's add some text to our page. If you click on the box, you will get the formatting toolbar. This gives you the ability to choose how you want the text aligned. You can even select a portion of the text to make it bold, italic, or add a link. Clicking the box also shifts your right panel to the block editor, where you can change the font size and color. Let's add an image to our page and add a caption. Click the Add Block button again and choose Image. Just like posts, you can drag and drop an image, upload or import from your image library. Over on the right, in the block editor pane, we can play with the size until it looks just the way we want. And there's a spot down here to add a caption for the photo. I think that looks good. Now, let's add a featured image that will show when sharing this page on social media. We do this from the featured image on the page pane over here on the right. Add the image and let's add some alt text. You can change the title of the image, add a caption and description. Just add a few relevant words and phrases. This is useful for SEO and people with visual impairments. Let's take a look at some of the other page settings. Discussion is where you can choose to allow comment section on your page. Under page attributes, you can choose what order you want your new page to show up on the site, and link navigation. And with permalink, you can edit how you want the page to end in the URL. So I'm going to make sure this says /about. Let's check out what our page looks like. We're going to click Update, and then we're going to go ahead and preview the site. Looks pretty good, but I think it's missing something. Let's go back and add a hero to this page. To edit this page, we can choose the edit length at the bottom of our page, or we can click Edit Page from the toolbar. From here, we'll go ahead and click the plus at the top left, and go ahead and start typing out hero. When you're ready, go ahead and drag and drop hero to the area you want to add it on. From here, you can update the hero block to tell your users more about the page and include a visual background too, like this. Now we can update and preview the site again. All right, so that looks better. So those are the basics on how to create a page. Check out the other WordPress tutorial videos for more tips.